Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable two-step authentication in Instagram app. Don't forget, dear friends, please put a like on this video and also subscribe to our channel, and please write your comments. Well friends, let's go ahead and get started. And first of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now navigate to your account. Then on the top right, click on the three bars to open up Settings and Activity. Here you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. Then select the Password and Security section. Next is two-step authentication. Now please select your Instagram account that you would like to protect. And next, you will have several options on how you can protect and enable two-step authentication on Instagram. It can be some special application, thanks to which you will connect two-step authentication, or you can choose SMS from WhatsApp. You choose the method you need and click Next. And then you already follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. You will need to insert some of your data, or perhaps you will receive an SMS from WhatsApp. You will need to enter a code and so on. And literally in just a few minutes with ease, following the instructions that you will see on your screen, you will be able to enable two-step authentication on Instagram. Friends, I really hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.